despite Aam Aadmi Party having nothing to do with the issue, Aam Aadmi Partyचे नाव दोनदा घाल्लें. एक आमचो दिनेश वाघेला तांचें नांव आशिल्लें आनी आम आदमी पार्टी मेंबर कितें कांयच ना वेळेच आम आदमी पार्टीचें नांव घालपाचें नोटिसीचेर. सो आमी आज प्लॅन केल्लो की आमच्या सगळ्या मेंबरांक आमी इन्वायट केल्ले सिन्स दे हॅव इन्वायटेड आम आदमी पार्टी मेंबर टू रिमेन प्रेजेंट आनी आमचे 500 लोक येवन थंय उबे रावपाचे आशिल्ले इन्स्पेक्शनाक. ती गजाल दिसता म्हाका गव्हर्मेंटाक कळ्ळी आनी काल आमकां आनी एक नोटीस आयली saying that all the interested parties and officials mentioned herein are informed that above referred site inspection notice issued by this office stands withdrawn. So, kire zale? The illegal structure became legal overnight. The whole inspection has been withdrawn. Why? So this clearly proves this government had no intention of acting on any illegality. आमकां फक्त आम आदमी पार्टीच्या फाटल्यान लागपाचें आशिल्लें. परत परत आमी सीएम मिस्टर पार्सेकाराक सांगता असली धमक्यो दिवन आमी भिवपाचे मनीस न्ही. परत परत सांगता आमी सीएम पार्सेकाराक आमी एक सादो प्रश्न विचारिल्लो तुमच्या साडवाक 1 लाख रुपया लाच घेतना रंगे हातो धरिल्लो ताका 5 म्हयन्यांनी परत रिइन्स्टेट कसो केलो. एक सादो प्रश्न हो. अजून पर्यंत 7-8 दीस जाले सीएमाचे कांयच उत्तर ना. आमी काल जीआयडीसीन वचून एक आरटीआय घाला. आमकां आशा आसा की एटलिस्ट आरटीआयचे उत्तर मेळटलें आमकां.
It's very simple premise that you are not putting Aam Aadmi Party on the back foot. You think you are trying to harass, intimidate the Aam Aadmi, not the party. You think you are going to harass the common man into thinking that he doesn't have a role to play in political destiny. So the more and more the government does this and thinks that it is putting the Aam Aadmi Party on the back foot, in cricketing terms, what it has to realize is that the Aam Aadmi and the Aam Aurat of the state will come on the front foot and teach this government a lesson. It is not about Aam Aadmi Party. The government is messing with the Aam Aadmi and Aam Aurat of Goa. And there is usually a price to pay for this kind of arrogance in a democracy.